You have probably clicked on this video for two reasons. One of them being you have to spam someone and be annoying. And the second one would be, yeah, there is no second reason. Let's get started. Before we move on to any details, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. So now I'm in my Mac OS. I'll just quickly jump onto my text editor, Visual Studio Code. You can use any text editor you want, but I personally prefer this text editor. And if you want to download and install Visual Studio Code, I will leave some links down in the description so you can download and install it from there. So right here I'm going to create a new file. Then I'm just going to save this file. I'm going to save it in my downloads folder as spambot.py. So spambot.py. You can name it anything you want, but the py extension is necessary for every name, as it specifies that the file is a Python file, and then the Python can just run this file. So now we are just going to import two simple libraries. The first one would be pyautogui. So pyautogui is a library that helps us click and find things on the screen. It can help us click things on the keyboard and on our mouse. So right here I'm just going to go ahead and import pyautogui, and then we are just going to import time also, because we just don't want pyautogui to start right away after we start the code. So we are just going to write time. And now we have to specify the time, like how much time we need after pyautogui starts running the code. So we are just going to write time.sleep. We are going to use the sleep function of time, and in parenthesis we have to write the second after which you want the code to be started. After you have done that, you just have to create a variable. I will name it f. You can name it anything you want, and then open. So spamming with the bmovie script is really popular. If you want the entire bmovie script, you can just head on to your browser, your default browser. I'll just create a new tab, and you can just type bmovie entire script. And basically what this will do is that it will just annoy your partner which you want to be spammed, and it will just send every dialogue of the bmovie script to him. And so what you have to do is that you have to just copy the whole bmovie script and then paste it in a text file. I have already done that, as you can see in my text editor. I will just open the bmovie script. It is saved in my desktop, and as you can see, bmovie.txt. And as you can see, this is the whole bmovie script. So this is a really long script, and it is saved in my desktop. And now what we have to do is that we have to open parenthesis, and we have to write the path where I have stored the bmovie script. So that is users/desktop. You have to specify your path. This is my path where I have saved the file. Now I have to just write movie.txt. So this is the path where I have saved the whole bmovie script, and then for reading the path you just have to specify r. After you have done that, you have to create a for loop which will start the bmovie script again and again and again when it ends. So basically your spamming will never end. So you can just write for word in f pyautogui dot, it would be type right. So basically it will write the word, and then pyautogui will just press enter on the keyboard. So for that we're just gonna write enter. So yeah, that's the whole code that we need for spamming someone. You can just go ahead and save this file, and all you have to do is that you have to just run this file. I'm just gonna open my default web browser. I'm gonna go in web.whatsapp.com. That is WhatsApp. You can spam it in anything you want. It will work in Instagram, Snapchat, in anything you want, also in mails. So we're just gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna write. So right here in Visual Studio Code, I will just start this code, run file through terminal, and after that I'll just go ahead in this, and after 5 seconds it will start spamming. So as you can see, it is just typing the bmovie script and it is sending it by itself. As you can see, I'm not doing anything, and it is just sending the script. It is typing it so fast, and that person has just been spammed. So it will just never end, and it will keep on going and going and going and going with just a click of a button. So yeah, this is a really great tutorial if you want to be annoying and spam someone. And please like this video and subscribe to the channel. If not, I will see you next time.